Yeah, Rallye Portugal is another exciting event, a new rally this year, which seems to be very complicated with a lot of grip changes. But yeah, we have had a good recce. I'm really looking forward to this event. We have good feeling after shakedown, which went very well for us. So happy to start tonight and happy to see as well a lot of supporters here. We have a lot of fans in Portugal. We have the fan club who is coming here with a lot of people. So the atmosphere will be good for sure. And yeah, I wish everybody a nice weekend, enjoyable rally and a good result for us. So thank you and bye bye.